I pushed a button and I think it deleted the really
large.
Well, I actually feel pretty good about our conversation, so here's 100 rats eating you from the inside out.
No.
Bye-bye.
As a doctor, what I'd recommend is we need to feed him a second really
large.
Oh, no, guys, please. Oh my God, it's working.
Jigsaw, you're a fucking loser.
Oh man, that was great.
Dance move, please. Music.
Brennan. We need to feed him a second really
large. Scalpel.
As a doctor, what I'd recommend is we need to feed him a second really
large.
Oh no.
I mean, you gotta credit the originator, right?